Honk, honk. Look, I like the bus. Stand in a line. Get on the bus, Ben.
Okay, where are they now?
They are stand in a line.
No, where are they?
They are bus
They are
stop.
on.
They are on the bus stop.
So what should you do when you wait for a bus?
Stand in a line.
Yeah, wait in a line and wait for your turn, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Next. Honk, honk. This bus goes fast. Hello, I am Ben. Hello, I am Sunny.
Annie. What can you see here?
Oh, I can see the lion and zebra. Zebra and the
Giraffe. So guess where is this?
At the zoo.
It's like a zoo, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Zoo. Get in the car, Ben. This car goes slow. Oops. Oops.
Yes. Crash.
Crash.
Yeah.
Oops.
So
Crash.
what are they?
They are Annie and Dan.
Yeah, what are they doing?
They are riding.
Yeah, driving.
Driving the car.
Yes. How are the car?
Car?
Yes.
Slow.
And what's problem here?
The car crash.
Yeah, the car crash.
Get on the bike, Ben. This bike goes fast.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes.
Olivia, really?
I can ride the bike.
Yes, okay.
Let's wait for the train.
Yes.
Get on the train, Annie. Thank you, Ben.
Yes, see. What are they doing?
They're waiting the train.
Yes, so how do they stand?
They stand, wait the train.
Yes, stand in a line.
A line.
Yes, and wait for their turns.
Train.
Yes.
Train. This train goes up. I like it. This train goes down. Hooray!
Do you like to ride this train?
Yes, but it's scary.
It's very scary.
Yes.
Yes, but it's excited, right?
Yes. This train goes fast. I like the train too. It's fun too.
Here is fun too. Okay, and last one.
The hot balloon. I got the hot balloon.
And what is the gun holding? Is it candy? Is candy?
Yes.
Is it called cotton?
Cotton candy.
Yeah, do you like cotton candy?
Yes, it's very sweet, but we can eat many sweet candies.
Yes.
We have the
What?
we can brush my teeth.
After
After eat candies.
Yeah, after eating candy. Okay. Thank you, Olivia.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching.